So has this been sat here for another 2 months after the internet said save it?
Well, we've just been a little bit busy, mate, haven't we?
We have been a little bit busy. If you remember the car park, it didn't look like this.
There's only a select few dead cars now.
Yes, we're getting rid of the dead weight. Oh, here she is. It's that ran since the last video we did on it.
2 cycles of gold good, Jay.
Yeah. Why does it sound like it's fixed itself? Oh no. Oh, it stinks. Well, she's in.
You want the kettle on the brew or the smoke for us?
Yeah, let's have a quick brew and then we'll rip it out, shall we? Oh, hang on, we don't know. So, that is an XUD11. And if you grew up being a 306 D-turbo fanboy, you'll know that this was the Holy Grail of diesel pugs. And they were quite hard to get hold of back in the day, weren't they?
Well, mate, the funny thing is, I actually can't find a car for sale with one of them in.
Just the engines off that bloke.
I found a guy that had 5 engines.
Yeah, so he was one of us back in the day, stocking up on them.
So, yeah.
So yeah, we've done a little bit of a strip down on it just to see. We were going to paint it, to be fair, but we've been quite busy with life and stuff. So
we're going to sort it in first and see what bulkhead space we've got. Because looking at that,
yeah, I don't think it's going to.
That's a taller engine to me.
Yeah, it's tall. It's probably going to lean back more, isn't it?
So
It's quite thin, isn't it?
Don't know what bulkhead room we're going to have. So,
well, we're gonna find that out in this video, aren't we? That engine bay's got to get painted on it.
I can't live with that.
Nah.
I don't know what the guy must have been on crack when he decided to paint it that colour.
But he did comment on the last video, so
Yeah,
what?
he did, yeah.
Was you on crack, sir?
Was this something to do with you as well, mate?
Did you put that in? What RGB bulb? Cheers.
Well, yeah, Jake, so
Yeah,
this
fuck
car
you, Greta.
didn't have a side exit when I got it, but
Yeah.
I put it there, there was a vent here. And it
What?
used to smoke up through the back, it used to back feet through the bumper and up through that vent. So I've ended up making a plate and blanking it off, if you look at it.
So you literally don't gas yourself out.
Literally, mate.
D-turbo life, isn't it? It did start. It started up with a very slight misfire, didn't it? And then it just got progressive. Yeah.
I'm impressed at how that runs.
I am, mate.
Yeah, so
Get a brew going.
finish me brew, you bastard.
Just get it on the fucking ramp, man.
Well, mate, but it's a little bit fucking low, isn't it? Sunnies.
What?
These tyres have got sunnies.
Fucking hell.
Cheshire Spinny's A3 on these.
I remember when Cheshire reversed up a guardrail.
I remember that.
We'll have to cut that bit. Ah.
Sorry, Jake. That off?
Dunno. Is it? It's not going to fall off, is it? Oh, yes.
Alright, she's on.
Don't forget me brew.
Check your side, please.
It's not the best, that. Yeah, probably do with going on a little bit more. I went right from here or what? Yeah, I'll do it. It's got some twit.
We got some out of the fucking Stranger Things trying to grow through it. Okay.
Yeah.
This was Desperate Measures.
Oh shit. Hey, it's still on though, isn't it?
Yeah, to be fair.
If it's stupid. Oh, look at that tyre valve. Brand new one. It's not actually that bad.
His engine's sorted and an axle. The actual fucking chassis is mint still, isn't it?
Yeah.
I welded the servo drivers to the manifold, did I?
Did you?
If you look there, there's no actuator on it either. I welded the wastegate shut.
Oh shit, that is welded shut.
How bad did that look?
It doesn't. I've seen worse. Definitely seen worse. Right, so drop the fucker down, front end off, engine out. We can get the engine out with the front end on, can't we? But
Let's have the front bottle then now.
yeah, so we might as well strip it down and send it to the moon.
Black and black. That almost looks warped. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, there's bits of aluminium in that, isn't there? Oh, it is bitty as well, you know. I want bitty. Are we going to go for the fastest quarter mile on chip back?
I'd like to, but I don't know what that is.
I would have a look at what the fastest quarter mile is on chip back. Oh, she was. Jesus Christ, Jamie. Would you like a hammer? Oh, you're hard. 13-second quarter mile for the XUD9, what do you reckon? For an XUD11, it should be a piece of piss. We want the engine out, get that gearbox on that engine and test fitted to see if it's going to actually go. Nice.
Am I ready to receive your shaft, Jamie?
Oh, I remember when I crashed my first one, Jay. I'd crushed all these plugs because it pushed that into the wheel, which then pushed the wheel into that. And then I put a new engine in it and never even cottoned on that all them wires were fused together. I was changing that, that crash sensor switch.
I never crashed one.
You know?
No, I've crashed everything else instead, like my courses.
Yeah, fair enough. Well, these were my first cars, so that's why I went through, in my first 6 months of driving, I went through 5.5 bugs.
See, I had 3 courses, 2 of them died.
I had a Mark 1 Clio that was pretty good. And I remember going down the bypass 4-speed with 5 man deep. And we were going, wham, bam, 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 top of third, wham, bam, 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 fourth gear, ball. Bam, 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 ball. And it just never did anything really. I think that was probably about 65 mile an hour as well.
Why don't you like you're going to do something anyway? I fucking did all this.
Where's the T30 gone?
Put it away.
Why do you keep doing this?
Minimal stuff, right? Can't get the pipe out the bottom of the rod. Like a push fit out into the rod.
Yeah, they're bastards.
And I don't want to break it, so I'm going to sort of like feed it back through. That's what I need to do this bit. But you got my job is slippy bastard.
Yeah, probably later. Yeah, probably could do
Screen
it.
wash.
I bet we killed like some 10th generation spiders, didn't we, when we fired this up for the first time? Whoa! Whoa! Fucking hell!
What?
The size of that bastard!
What? Spider?
The 10th generation is here, mate.
Fuck me.
I take back what I said, that was a 15th generation Spider.
I kind of wish I hadn't have
Even started on it.
no, I just undone the pump.
Yeah, it's bending the cooking. Oh yeah, look at the heat generated. Oh yeah. How long's it been since you pulled that XUD out?
As long as the car's been sat really, because I think it lasted a week or two, we'll give it back in. Ready? Let it fall.
Nice.
A little more level. It goes, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, you can do that. That makes more sense. It's got an extra. How many extra valves has it got? 4?
4, yeah.
An extra 4 valves. Oh, there's the turbo welded onto the manifold. Look at that. Beachhead.
Right, how are we going about this? We're going to whip all the loom off, ready? We're going to test fit the engine first.
Yeah, test fit it. To get it on the gearbox, don't we? Split
So,
gearbox.
so we'll get this one stripped to an extent.
Yeah.
Tighten them up.
Come on, Pt.1. There's 3 FTs. You've got finger tight, fucking tight, and farm tight.
We use farm type.
Farm tight, yeah. Agri spec, innit?
Pull up that.
Nice.
As it stands, this one's not great.
Oh, look. That's only a 10th generation. Another 10th generation Spider. There you go, come on. Well, you can live your life on the plug if you want. Gotta give it to the seatbelt.
I don't think we're going to use this turbo anyway. It's a bit small for my liking. I'm interested how the TD5 would have worked. Yeah.
They're actually not heavy, these, are they?
That one will work. No, so just you there. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Peugeot part bin strikes again. Oh god, that bloody seatbelt is impressive. What was it off that seatbelt?
That one?
Yeah.
No.
I was hoping you weren't gonna say VAG.
No, it failed if it was
And it
that.
would snap on it. Yeah. Why is it doing a weave?
Oh, sorry, mate.
Alright, mate.
Keep the credit brush.
It's already hitting it.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, fucking hell. Big hit.
Let's chop the exhaust. You can see that we could quite easily run a pipe across here and fucking gearbox-mounted the turbo.
Big boy there.
Oh, that's it out. That's the way.
It's a shame it's not the other way, so we could just bonnet exit it. XUD11 sort of in. It's just on that little bit of bulkhead to be fair. It's not how it works.
It is kind of string for a gearbox-mounted turbo though, isn't it?
Yeah, it really does need it. Even if we would make it fit, I think it should.
Even if we don't use turbos we've got, we'll go and buy a different one.
Yeah. It's that HX35 record truck there, isn't it?
It's not going to work, that. No, I'm not bashing fuck out of that bulkhead, mate. Not for that. Not for that turbo. I mean, if it was a big, if it was a big turbo and it hit like that, then yeah, I'd have said turbo. I'm not fucking around with a shit-sized turbo hard to make it fit.
Yeah, no, I couldn't agree more, mate.
Should be though. We'll just pull it back forward a little bit with the crane, and I'll whip the turbo off. I'll split it from the mani and put it back on and see where we're sat.
Definitely.
Because let's be serious, I think if we are going to do a big build with this now,
Which we are going to do.
yeah, then I think what we should do
You get that.
is allow RC to paint the bay because we're mocking up engine components.
Yeah. Yes.
One bolt left in that. I've got an idea.
You got an idea, have you? What's your idea, mate? Nice.
Grind roll 5 mil.
What is it with XUD in the oil?
Disgusting, isn't it? I weren't prepared for it today though, so I've actually got gloves on for a change.
See, I wash my hands and then keep forgetting to put gloves back on.
Is it miles up? Yeah.
This engine's a bit longer. Oh, there you go. No, it's not. Is that it start? It's sitting! Oh my god.
How's that back bolt line up?
Fucking sound. Oh my god, the camera again. Oh my god. What's it doing? There we go.
You got the ball in there?
Yeah.
Pretty straightforward, isn't it? The swap.
Oh yes. So yeah, list of things to do. It's take the pump off that, put it on that, rebuild the top end of that, check the large ends, mains, make sure it's not going to be spinning anything when we go and try and get a chip fat record.
Once the engine's rebuilt, then we're probably going to give it a bit of a fucking paint up. Engine bay.
Yeah.
I think we're just going to go black. We've got some black there. We've got
Yeah.
lacquer. So we'll paint the bay black.
Yeah.
Then we're going to paint the engine block burgundy and just clean the fucking thing up.
Yeah. Sound that
obviously the
so.
rocker cover's leaking, but we've got an air gasket set anyway.
Decent.
So yeah, we'll do a bit of a nice little rebuild on it, and then once we've got all that sorted and got it in, then once all the engine's refreshed, then we'll work around making the turbo manifold and stuff once it's all back in.
Definitely.
So
It'd be alright that, wouldn't it?